As a subsidiary of the globally renowned gypsum building materials group, the enterprise has always been at the forefront of production safety, and attaches great importance to the safety management of forklift in the plant. The enterprise has hundreds of forklifts, which are mainly responsible for handling and stacking gypsum boards and other goods. The factory area is most afraid of the collision risk, brought about by the parallel and intersection operation of people and vehicles. In order to further enhance operational safety, the factory has retrofitted its forklifts with the Weitronic Security Forklift Collision Avoidance Warning System SF-112. Before the installation, the handling cargo is large in size, the driver's visual blind spot is large, and the risk of collision between people and vehicles is high. After the installation of SF-112, there is a base station on the vehicle. The personnel wears a tag through the UWB technology to accurately measure the distance between people and vehicles. When the distance is too close, the system triggers a voice reminder. The vehicle automatically decelerates to a stop. 360 degrees prevention of collision accidents. Before installation, there were non-authorized personnel driving forklifts, not wearing seat belts, speeding and other irregularities. After installing SF-112, the driver needs to be successfully identified by swiping card or fingerprint before starting the forklift, eliminating unauthorized personnel driving. Drivers not wearing seat belts will trigger the alarm or fail to start the forklift. Driver speeding will also trigger the alarm, can start the speed limit management. The driver pressed hard on the gas pedal. The forklift will not travel faster than the preset value. Driver violations will be recorded in the system cloud. Administrators have a basis for tracing responsibility. Administrators can also understand the location and operating conditions of the vehicle in the cloud.
安全是企业发展的基石，安全第一，预防为主。本套系统强化了人员跟叉车的管理，构筑了企业的安全防线，对企业来说特别好。
By installing Weitronic Security Forklift Collision Avoidance Warning System SF-112, the enterprise can play active collision avoidance, speed limit management, authorized driving and remote management functions, which greatly improves the safety of handling in the factory and enhances the management efficiency of the fleet.